We are now inside of the hosted course platform, Teachable. And you can use a platform like Teachable to set up an upsell or order bump. Now, these processes are going to work differently than you will see on an affiliate network, but they accomplish the same goal, which is to show your customer an offer, and that if you have an affiliate to promote that offer, they will be credited with both sales. You'll see here that inside of this specific product area, you have what's called an order bump area. We can click on order bump. We can then click on create order bump. And basically, we're going to select a specific product plan, and then we'll then be able to go in and select a product that we want to add in to the order bump that's already part of our system. And we can choose the product. We can then choose the order bump pricing plan. We can then click next. Now basically it's here where we can set a specific order bump price. Once you've set it up, you can then click add order bump. You can then turn on the order bump. When the individual goes to the checkout page, they'll then be presented with the bump offer, and they can choose to tick in the bump offer and have it added to their product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.